With the Act Connect link, it's never been easier to set up a connection to third-party tools such as Outlook, QuickBooks, and SurveyMonkey. It's only available to subscription customers of Act Premium in the Windows or web client. Here's how to install and use the new Act Connect link. First, you need to update your version of Act to 18.2. In this example, I will be updating from Act Premium 18.1 for Windows to 18.2. Once you download the 18.2 update file, double-click it to launch it and follow the upgrade steps as normal. At some point during the upgrade, Act will ask you if you want to install the Web API. Click Yes here. This is where the Act Connect link installation takes place. Then continue through the remainder of the upgrade steps. Once the upgrade is complete, go to your Start menu, and then locate the program or app directory called Act Connect Link. Inside that directory, select Act Connect Link to launch the Management panel. From here, click Manage at the top. Now pay attention to this Register section. You'll see your unique URL here. Highlight that and copy it somewhere. This is the URL you will need to use to perform the one-time setup for most of the Act connections. I'm going to open up a notepad and just save it right there for the moment. Okay? Now we can close the Act Connect link window. So let's launch Act now. I've already updated my database so that it complies with 18.2. You may need to do that at this moment. Once that's done, though, let's go to the Act Connect button in the left navigation. From here, we can choose any of the connections shown to set them up. I'm going to choose Google Contacts, and then I'll click the Get Started button. This launches the Zapier website. Zapier is the service that Act uses to connect to a huge library of external applications. These connections are called Zaps from within Zapier. So from here, we'll need to log into Zapier. If you haven't created a free Zapier account yet, click the orange Sign Up button at the top. I'm going to go ahead and log in now. Okay, so I'm logged in now, so I'm going to click the Use This Zap button that shows a connection between Google Contacts and Act Premium. With any of the Act connections, or Zaps, you'll need an account for each of the applications you're connecting. This step requires us to log into our Google account. I've already created one ahead of time, so we'll use that one now. Now we need to connect to our Act account. This is finally where the Act Connect link installation comes into play. So I'll click Connect. First, I'll enter my username and password. Next, I'll enter the exact name of the database that I'm using. Make note that this database is case sensitive. Finally, in the URL field, this is where you'll enter the URL from the Act Connect link panel. So I'll pull up my notepad, I'll copy everything after the slashes, and I'll paste it in here. And then we'll click Yes, Continue. That setup step only needs to be done one time in Zapier. Moving forward, Zapier will remember the settings on that screen for all future connections. Now we can proceed with the target and action steps in setting up a connection.